That's right. For most of our time here, it was snowing. It was very cloudy. You can see now it's kind of cleared up. You can actually see in the distance. Unlike earlier, visibility was tough. We couldn't see that iconic image of Lake Tahoe from the top of Heavenly. But now, like I said, calm down as we take a look at the lift over here. Things are starting to wind down for the evening, but it was a good day on the mountain today. The fresh powder had skiing fresh on people's minds, bringing lots of people to the area this weekend. The snow was coming down today as snowboarders and skiers hit the slopes here at Heavenly Mountain Resort in South Lake Tahoe. There were regulars who've been here plenty.
A lot of times, I can't count.
And others just here for the weekend, not quite as used to seeing so much snow.
We were kind of like, let's, make the most of it and experience some winter, and we're really experiencing it to the full extent right now.
This weekend has been absolutely incredible. It's been dumping on us for several days straight right now.
Heavenly says 41 trails are open right now, about 35% of the terrain.
It's really been a combination of this natural snow that we're getting and our Rockstar snowmaking teams that have been working throughout the nights to make sure there's a nice base layer so that when Mother Nature gives us a gift like this, there's some really great snow and really fun conditions for everybody here.
Like twins Griffin and Jasper Brennan.
I'm 7.5. He's 7.5 too. Why'd you say 7?
Griffin's a skier while Jasper
pull the front down. There you go.
Got suited up to go snowboarding. Trying to master that like his dad.
We just stick on the greens and get the kids back up to speed for this year.
The family from here in South Lake Tahoe will likely be back, hoping this is just the start of what's to come this winter.
Awesome. Have a good day.
Now that the sun's going down, just a beautiful sight tonight. Look at the moon. It's just really beautiful. All the snow in the trees. Very exciting for all those skiers. For anyone hoping to get one of those epic season passes to get to resorts like Heavenly, Northstar, and Kirkwood, today is actually the last day to buy those. Live in South Lake Tahoe, Lizanne Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
All right, with all that snow, I think a lot of people are going to be thinking about it with that deadline. All right, Lizanne, thank you.